Welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we turn everyday ingredients into powerful tools for a thriving, natural garden. Today, I'm excited to share with you a garden-saving secret that's probably already sitting in your spice rack. Yes, you heard that right. 3 simple kitchen spices can act as powerful, all-natural pesticides to keep your kitchen garden thriving without ever reaching for a chemical spray. Let's jump right in with our first spice, cayenne pepper. This fiery favorite isn't just for adding heat to your meals. Cayenne is a natural deterrent for many common garden pests like aphids, spider mites, and even squirrels and rabbits. The compound responsible for its heat, capsaicin, irritates soft-bodied insects and keeps them from munching on your plants. To use it, simply mix 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper powder with a liter of water. Add a drop of dish soap and spray it directly onto your plant leaves. Just be sure to test it on a small area first. Some delicate plants may be sensitive. The second kitchen spice that pulls double duty is garlic powder, or fresh garlic if you have it. Garlic has natural sulfur compounds that repel insects like whiteflies, beetles, and even fungal diseases. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties that help protect your soil ecosystem. To make a garlic pesticide spray, crush several cloves or use a teaspoon of garlic powder in warm water, let it steep overnight, strain, and then apply to your garden with a spray bottle. This not only keeps bugs away, but also creates a healthier, more resilient plant system. Now let's talk about cinnamon, the sweet spice with surprising power. Cinnamon is excellent at fighting off fungal issues like damping off in seedlings, a condition where young plants rot at the base and collapse. It also deters ants and gnats. So, simply sprinkle cinnamon powder directly onto the soil surface or, mix it into your compost tea or spray. It's gentle on plants, but honestly it's tough on unwanted visitors. What's amazing is how accessible and affordable these spices are. They allow you to take control of your garden's health while keeping things completely chemical-free. That means safer food, healthier soil, and better biodiversity in your kitchen garden. Here's a quick tip. You can even combine these spices into a DIY garden pest powder blend. Mix equal parts cayenne, garlic powder, and cinnamon, and dust it around your plant bases or garden beds. It acts as a slow-release defense system that not only repels pests but also nourishes the soil as it breaks down. Using kitchen spices as natural pesticides is one of my favorite low-cost, high-impact gardening tricks. It's sustainable, effective, and safe for both your plants and your family. If this video helped you discover something new, give it a like and subscribe to Gentle Herb Living for more natural gardening wisdom. Got a favorite home remedy for garden pests? Drop it in the comments. We love learning from fellow gardeners like you.